It's time for peace. Sounds simple, right? Take a breath. Picture a forest, not just trees standing side by side, but a living, breathing community beneath the soil. Hidden from view, roots intertwine. A strong oak shares nutrients with a young sapling. A maple sends sugars to a struggling birch. When drought comes, water moves through this underground web. From deep-rooted elders to thirsty seedlings, they don't compete. They care for one another. They are separate yet profoundly connected. This is us. This is human connectivity. Not just friendships or families, but the invisible, unbreakable bond that ties every human life to every other. Science now confirms what ancient wisdom always knew. We are wired for connection. When we hug someone we love, our bodies release oxytocin, the bonding molecule. It eases stress, builds trust, and whispers to our nervous system, you are not alone. When we truly listen to another person's story, our brain waves can actually sync with theirs. We literally harmonize. This isn't poetry, it's biology. We are designed to resonate with each other. So why does it sometimes feel like we're worlds apart? Why do we build walls, focus on differences, skin color, beliefs, borders, and forget the shared ground beneath our feet? It's because we lose sight of the forest for the trees. Beneath every surface distinction, deeper than any label, pulses the same human heart. The longing for safety, the need to be seen, the hunger for belonging, the joy in laughter, the tears in grief, the universal language of a parent's love. These are our roots. This is our common soil. As Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. told us with piercing clarity, we are tied together in the simple garment of destiny, caught in an inescapable network of mutuality. He didn't say this lightly. He meant it as a fundamental truth. Your well-being is woven into mine. Your sorrow touches lives you'll never know. Your kindness ripples out in ways you cannot see. We breathe the same air. Our children play under the same sky. We are threads in the same vast, tender tapestry of life. Peace, then, isn't just the silence after conflict. True peace is the active choice to remember our connection. It starts within, finding that quiet center in your own heart where fear loosens its grip and you remember your own worth, your own belonging. From that inner stillness, peace flows like a clear spring. It looks like seeing the stranger beside you not as a them, but as a fellow traveler. It sounds like asking, tell me what matters to you. Help me understand your world. It feels like offering patience instead of judgment, holding space for someone's pain without needing to fix it, sharing bread, sharing silence, sharing hope. This is the quiet, revolutionary force of peace. It doesn't need a megaphone. It thrives in the small moments. A smile held longer, a door held open, a hand offered without hesitation, a thank you spoken like a prayer. Imagine dropping a single pebble into a still pond. Watch the ripples spread, gentle, persistent, touching every shore. Every act rooted in peace is like that pebble. Your choice to listen deeply to a friend sends ripples through their day. Your decision to help a neighbor carry groceries sends ripples through your street. Your courage to speak up for compassion, to bridge a misunderstanding, to acknowledge the humanity in someone you've been taught to distrust. These ripple out further than you can imagine. They touch hearts in other neighborhoods, other cities, other continents. Studies prove it. Communities where people know their neighbors' names, where trust blooms like wildflowers, are safer, healthier, and more resilient. Children raised in connection grow into adults who heal rather than hurt. When we nurture this bond, we build peace from the inside out, root by root, heart by heart. This is how we grow a new earth, not by changing the ground beneath us, but by changing how we walk upon it together. It means seeing our differences not as divides, but as brushstrokes in a magnificent painting. Your culture, your story, your unique gifts, they don't isolate you, they enrich us all. Like instruments in a grand orchestra, each voice matters. We don't need to play the same note. We need to listen, to harmonize, to create something greater than ourselves. Building this new earth asks for courage, the courage to reach towards a new planet, the courage to say, I don't know your path, but I honor your journey. The courage to believe fiercely and tenderly in our shared light. It begins now, in this breath, in your next choice. Will you be the one who pauses to truly see another, who offers a word of encouragement, who chooses curiosity over criticism, who plants seeds of kindness in barren soil? Remember the forest, remember the roots, remember Dr. King's truth. We are tied together, caught in an inescapable network of mutuality. You hold a thread of that network in your hands. Every moment you choose understanding over anger, generosity over scarcity, love over fear. You are weaving a new reality. You are repairing the fabric. You are helping to create a world where peace isn't a distant dream, but the very ground we stand on. The heartbeat we share is real. It connects us all. Listen for it. Feel it. Let it guide you. The new earth is here, waiting in the space between our open hands and willing hearts.